How to remove urine from carpeting. Absorb urine with towel or extraction machine. Pour warm water on accident area. Extract or absorb this water from carpeting. Repeat this step. Apply natural touch to accident area. Let soak for 5 to 10 minutes. Extract or absorb liquid from carpeting. Place a weight on top of the towel to allow liquid to wick. Allow to dry. If odor remains, repeat procedure. Use any of our safe and powerful urine removal products to permanently eliminate odors, not just to cover them up.